YouTube Soul Review kicks here with another unboxing yet again. As you see, classic Nike box. Let's get into it. All right. Yes, you see two. Yes, two of them. Two of them. Had to double up on these bad boys. I don't care what they say. I like it. I need one for me. All right, let's see what we have today. We have Nike branded boxes. Crazy. Wow. Okay. Today we have the Air Jordan 12 Retro White University Blue, aka the Melo 12s. Yes. Let's take a look at the box. Just do it on the box. Classic. Let's see here. Engineered and built to the exact specifications of championship athletes from around the world. Classic box. Classic phrase. Alright, bottom of the box. Nothing special. Let's check her out. And there we have it. The Jordan 12 Retro Melo. Quick little glance. If you guys can see that, it does say 370 by 235 by 130. Oh my God. Okay, that's huge. Look at the size of this box. Like, real quick for reference. I mean, what in the world, Nike? Jeez, it's the same size. It's size 8. Oh, boy. Okay, so, anywho, let's get back into it. What more could I say? Beautiful shoe. Classic. I love the Retro 12s. They're one of my favorite lines. Do definitely love the 11s, but the 12s also I do. They have a place in my heart. Grew up with these things. Take a look at the stitching. Beautiful, beautiful blue. Oof. Carbon fiber plate. Mud guard. Look at the spacing from the Jumpman, okay? Other than that, beautiful. Let's get inside, take a look. All right. Nothing special on the inside. Shoe tag. VW1 factory. Date code is 10/30/24 01/22/25. Take a look at that Jordan logo. All right. See what the inside brings. Oh boy. Shoe tree, which is paper. Let's take a look at the insole. Looks like side stickers above the Jumpman logo. White Dream Cell. Wow. White Dream Cell. Okay. Let's take a look. White footbed. Look at the stitching. All right. A little quick review. Quick unboxing. Jordan 12 Melos. Okay. Not going to tear apart the other shoe. You see it. As always, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.